What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about how to make an end portal in Minecraft. So to successfully reach the end and engage in the combat with the Ender Dragon, one must first traverse an operational end portal. The process of locating and constructing an end portal in Minecraft is going to be explained in this video. So within the realm of creative mode, individuals have the liberty to construct their very own end portal, while it is not possible to craft the frame pieces. They can be sourced by scoring the inventory screen and equip 12 Eyes of Ender along with the 12 end portal frames onto your hotbar. Proceed to position the end portal frame in the manner where there are 3 blocks on each side, ensuring that the green markings face towards the center. Stand at the epicenter and encase yourself with the portal to guarantee the accurate placement. Step outside the frame and insert Eyes of Ender into each frame block. The portal will spring to the life upon the insertion of the final eye. How does one discover and activate an end portal in the Minecraft? Upon locating or fabricating an end portal, activation becomes imperative. Here is a guide on accomplishing both tasks. Amass 12 Ender Pearls by vanquishing Endermen or bestowing gold ingots upon pinglins in the Nether. Alternatively, clerics in villages occasionally trade Ender Pearls for emeralds. Forge 12 blade powders from 6 blade rods, and it is possible to craft 2 blade powders at a time. To procure blade rods, overcome villages in the Nether. Erect a crafting table using 4 wood planks, then position it on the ground and access it. Produce a minimum of 12 Eyes of Ender by placing blade powder in the initial box of the middle row and an Ender Pearl in the center of the grid. While a total 12 eyes is required to activate the portal, crafting a surplus is advisable for subsequent steps. Equip an Eye of Ender and hurl it. The eye will ascend in the sky before descending back to the ground. Absorb its trajectory and attempt to intercept it, both relaunching it. Continue this process until it consistently lands in the same location, indicating the presence of the stronghold. The method of throwing the Eye of Ender varies based on your platform. For PC, right-click. For mobile, tap and hold. For Xbox, press LT. For PlayStation, press L2. In the event the eye shatters, a replacement can be fashioned. Open the eye settling in a fixed spot. Commence excavation to uncover the stronghold. Embark on the quest to locate the end portal. Keep an eye out for a chamber featuring a staircase, lava, and monster spawner. The portal is situated near the entrance, the spiraling stairs leading downwards. If you enter in one direction without success, retrace your steps and explore an alternative path. To activate the end portal, position Eyes of the Ender in the unoccupied frame blocks. Some segments of the portal's frame may already contain eyes. Traverse the end portal to access the end and ready yourself for the showdown against the Ender Dragon. Following its defeat, the Ender Dragon can be rescued at your discretion. So this was all about how to make an end portal in the Minecraft in all platforms. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.